Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel New IB or Listening Developer. Like in the previous videos we have learned about Python in artificial intelligence, and using Python in artificial intelligence we have built many of the projects. Like previously on we have just built an amazing inventory management system, and then previously on we have also built an amazing doctors management system, and I hope you enjoyed that video because I am just building the projects which are helpful for the people if they want to do their own business or they want to manage their own system by building that by their own self, so they can build that system by their own self and they can manage things on their system as well. So today we are also building that thing. So today I will be telling you how to build an amazing binary form using amazing Python artificial intelligence, and I hope you'll be enjoying today's video also. And this video will be also really informative, and we will be just building the thing which you can use further, means when you are doing business or if you are want to manage any of the system in Python or in means any of the field, like if you are a doctor or if you are a you can say if you are an inventory manager, so you can just set these all and you can manage these all things on the things which we are building using Python and artificial intelligence, because all the softwares and all the management projects which we see on internet are available. They have used Python in that, and they have built that projects using Python, means that softwares and all these things. And like we have just built doctor management system, inventory management system, and then these all games, so that are really helpful. And if you just take that, means if you use that in your professional work, so it will be giving you advantage and it will be also giving you help to work with your business and work with your work which you are doing. So I hope you'll be enjoying today's video which we are building. So like I'm telling you, today we are building this amazing binary, and I'll be telling you how to build this project from start to end. So if you want to see more videos like that, so remember to hit a like to this video, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so you can just see all the coming up videos. And remember to share this video so more people can learn and they can take benefit of these amazing things. And you can also check my previous videos out which I have uploaded, because that will giving you help if you want to learn Python from start to end, because I have uploaded many of the videos using Python in artificial intelligence, in machine learning, in data sciences, that are big videos but giving you help, that are really professional projects which I have built, like credit card fraud detection, self-driving car, Uber driving license, and more others. So remember to check that out projects as well if you want to learn how to build that. So just now we'll be starting with our today's video and seeing how to build this amazing binary project using Python in artificial intelligence from start to end. So just like I've telling you, we'll be just building an amazing project using Python in artificial intelligence, and today I'll be telling you how to build this amazing binary converter using Python in artificial intelligence. So for building this binary converter, here I will be opening my VS Code, and after opening your VS Code text editor, here I will be closing all the files, and then I will be opening my folder from which we were working. You can see this is the folder binary converter in Python from which we'll be working with today in this video, and I'll be pressing select folder to open this. This is our main file from which we'll be working, bin calculator.py. So here I will be now just working with in today's video we'll be working on this file, and I will be telling you how to build this amazing binary calculator, or you can say use build this amazing binary converter using this amazing project here. So I'll be now pressing Ctrl B to close my side panel here, and we'll be working with our Python file. So you can see I will be zooming in so you can just see all the codes. Now we have to just import some of the things in Python. First of all, I will be writing from OS, because we write from OS, or you can import OS as well, but we are writing from OS because from OS we will be importing system and name. So from OS we have to import system comma name, like this. So here you can see we have imported two things from OS, which is called system and name. So you can install this library from terminal as well if you want to install, but if you are using new version of Python, so you will be already having this library. So I am having this, so I don't need to install that, but you can install if you're not having using pip library in Python. So now I will be moving down, and here I will be writing def clear. So after writing this def clear means define clear, here I will be writing this bracket and then colon. Here you have to now write this command which is called win. Here I will be writing if name is equals to nt, then define this by writing this colon, write underscore is equals to system, write here cls, like this. Now after writing cls, here I will be moving, write here gnu, then write here linux, comma. After writing comma, here I'll be writing unix and etc. After writing etc here I will be writing else, and in else I will be writing underscore is equals to system, then make this bracket here and I will be writing here clear. So you can see I have written cls means we have defined our cls command prompt from here, and then down we have cleared that all things means if the user want to clear its details means if they have written wrong details and if they want to remove so they can just clear it. And you can see I've written the command of clear from here, so user can clear its details which he have written wrong. Then after writing this here I will be writing clear and making this bracket here. After making this here you have to move down, then we have to print some of the things here, like I will be writing here welcome to binary, then I will be writing converter app, and right here like this, and then I'll be writing this app can convert a decimal to a binary. Then I will be now just writing here aura binary. So here I will be again writing aura binary like this. And after writing this aura binary here you have to now just define the binary value in this. So here I will be now writing binary to a decimal like this. Then you have to close this. After just closing this I will be now closing it by writing like this. And then when you've written this here I will be now just doing one thing, like here I will be now moving there, and you can see we have just written this. And after moving here I will be writing print, and in print now I will be writing what you will. So here I will be writing what you will do like this, and then I will be writing backslash n. Now you have to move down, right here print. After writing print here I will be now just making this curly brackets here 3 times, right here dot format. After writing dot format here I will be writing 1. So after writing 1 I will be writing here binary, and in binary I will be writing 2 decimal, and here you have to now just write this slash, and then I will be now just writing here 2 decimal, then I will be writing 2 binary. So here I will be now writing, then you have to now write this slash, right comma, then I will be now just making this, and here I will be writing 3 exit backslash n, and then here I will be moving down, right here well selection, and right here n is equals to init input. Then here you have to write please select a number, then I will be writing for operation, and here I will be now just writing an user. Here you have to write like this, and when you've written this here I will be writing if well, then I will be writing selection and right is equals to 1. Here you have to move down. After writing this colon I'll be writing exit open, then I will be writing main.py. After writing this here I will be now just writing main1.py like this, and here you have to write dot read, and I will be making this tag. After making here you have to write else if well, then I will be writing selection n. So here you have to now write is equals to 2, and here you have to move down, right here exc, then you have to write here open, and after open here I will be writing main2.py. You can see we have written this, and then I will be now writing here read, make this bracket here, then I will be writing here else again, right here if well selection, then right here is equals to 3, write exit and make this tag. Now you can see we have just written this, so here I will be now writing here, and then you have to write else. In else I will be now just writing error handler, and then right here if well selection m, then I will be writing this 3 tag. Here you have to write colon and move down, and after moving here I will be printing. So here I will be now just writing number not found, and then I will be writing here please select a number from table. Then I will be now just moving down, right here exc, right open, and after open here I will be writing bin calculator. So here I will be writing calculator. This is our file here which we have linked, so I will be writing .py. So you can see we have just written this all stuff. Now we'll be working with our binary converter app. So this is not really of the big project which we are building. This is small project in Python which we are building, so it will be not taking some time to build. So here we have written this. Now I will be writing dot read to make this bracket, right here restart like this to restart this, Right here else if well selection I will be writing m, then I will be writing back colon and this one, and here you have to write print, and after writing print here I will be now just writing here number. So here I will be writing number not found, then I will be writing please select, then I will be writing please select a number from table, then after writing here I will be writing exe open, and after open here I will be writing bin calculator again to link this, and then after writing here I will be writing dot py, right here dot read, and then right here restart. So here I will be writing this, then you have to save it. So you can see now we have just saved this file here, means our binary converter app is now built. So we have to now run it. So for running you have to just use your command prompt here. So I will be moving to command prompt, means cmd, then I will be running it, which is created on desktop cd, and our folder name was binary. So here I will be writing binary converter in Python. This was the name of our folder. And here in this folder, we are getting the file of bin calculator.py. Press enter. You can see now it is saying that you have to select the things, means what you have to do. Like you have to convert binary to decimal, you have to convert decimal to binary, or you have to exit. So we have to first of all see that this binary to decimal, it is converting or not. So I'll be pressing 1. Now it is saying that enter your binary. So I'll be writing here 2569. So you can see now it is changing it into decimal and showing me your decimal is 57. So you can see here like this, it will be showing. Now if I just define here again, means if I run my bin calculator again, so here I will be writing dot py. Now I will be writing 2 decimal to binary. So I will be writing 2.5. So it will be telling me the number here, but you have to first of all write here bin calculator dot py, then this time I'll be writing 2, and then here you have to write, you can see now when I've written 25, my input decimal is 25 and your binary will be 1100. So like this you can just do, and if you want to exit, so I'll be pressing 3, press enter. You can see now it has been exited. So here you can see this. Now if I run it again, like by writing this command, then I will be writing 1, right here binary. You can see now it is showing me your decimal is 24. So you can see this, now it is showing me my decimal and it is also converting it to binary. So if I write 2 decimal, if I write here 269, so you can see it is showing me my binary 100001101. So this is my binary which will be building when it will be converting our decimal to binary. So like this we can just build this amazing project. I hope you understand how we have built this project of binary converter app, and I hope you understand this binary converter app, how we have built from start to end. So this was not really big video because this binary converter app is really important thing here, and I want to show you that how we can build it using Python in artificial intelligence and what things we have used in that. So many of the people have built that, but they have only used Python in that. I've used artificial intelligence technology to build this amazing binary converter app here, and I hope you understand this video as well. This was small video, but it will be helpful for you. I am now building the helpful things for you. I am not building the games like car racing games or like these games. So I think that games are not really helpful for you. These systems and these backend works are helpful for you. Like I've built this binary converter app, then I've also built previously projects like inventory management system, then doctor management system, and then we have also built some of the other projects. So that backend work are helpful for you, because if you want to manage your own system, like if you want to manage your own pharmacy system or your doctor system or any other inventory related system, so you can set it by using that things which we have built using Python, and that will giving you help if you want to manage your sales and inventory stuff which you have done. So I hope you understand how we have built this amazing project of binary converter app, and if you have understand, enjoy this video, so hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so you can just see all the coming up videos, and remember to share this video so more people can learn and they can take benefit of these things, like how to build these amazing projects which we are building through Python and artificial intelligence. I have also built projects using artificial intelligence, data sciences, and I have also built projects using machine learning as well. You can check that videos out. I've built big projects as well, like self-driving car, credit card fraud detection, face detection. Then I've also built Uber driving and many others. So just I hope you'll be understanding that also. So just tell me meet you next project. So for today, good bye.